In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam board. We'll start right in your browser. Head to https://www.figma.com/FigJam. On that page, choose Login if you already have an account, or Get Started if you're new, then select the account you want to use. Once you're in, FigJam keeps things simple so you can focus on ideas. Depending on where you land after signing in, you may already be looking at a blank FigJam board. If you're elsewhere in Figma, glance to the upper right for the FigJam option and click it. That takes you straight to a fresh, empty canvas where all the magic happens. From here, you have two easy paths. You can choose a pre-made template, or you can start adding elements with the tools along the bottom of the screen. Templates are great when you want a head start, so let's go with that first. Open the template gallery and browse the layouts that fit your goal, like brainstorming, meetings, or simple diagrams. When you find one you like, click it. As soon as you select a template, it's automatically inserted on your board. Everything on it is editable. Click any item to select it and type to replace the placeholder text. Drag to move cards or sections into the order that makes sense for you. Resize areas by pulling the corners, and use the quick style controls that appear to adjust colors or shapes so the board matches your style. If a section isn't relevant, just remove it. If you need more of something, duplicate it to expand your plan. Think of the template as a flexible starting point rather than a rigid structure. If you decide not to use a template, the tools below let you build from scratch. You can add sticky notes, shapes, and connectors to sketch out ideas in seconds. This is perfect when you want complete control over the layout right from a blank slate. And that's it. To recap the flow you'll use again and again, go to the FigJam page, log in or get started, open a blank canvas, choose a template if you want a head start, and then edit as much as you like until it fits your project. FigJam's clean interface keeps the process straightforward, so you spend less time figuring things out and more time collaborating and mapping ideas. Let's dive in and make your first board truly your own.